Okay, today we're going to do a demonstration on a nice Myford HA we have here in the shop. It's currently wired for 220 volts, 3-phase. You've got your hydraulic pump on the right. You got your coolant pump on the left. I'm going to go ahead and turn the controls on. Here's the hydraulic. Here's the grinding wheel. Workhead. And start our table moving. So you see we can control the speed of the workhead. It's variable speed. I don't know if you can see that from that angle with the video. And we start our feed. You see each time we reverse the table here we feed. Now you can either feed on the left, which is the left over here. You'll see it feed. And it will not feed on the right. But it will feed on the left. Now if you want to feed on the right, you've got to select the right side. Now it will feed on the right and not on the left. On this model, on this HA, it only feeds one side or the other. And this is a dwell, in case you want to stay on the stop for a few seconds for grinding. You have your taper adjustment here. You have your amount of INFEED you adjust with this knob here. You got your tailstock. That's pretty much it. Your wheel slide goes back and advances forward about an inch, 2 inches, something like that. Table can be slowed down to very slow. Of course, you could work the machine by hand, turning the dials by hand. I wouldn't recommend it. So there you have it. This is the Myford HA, currently wired for 220 volts. Everything is functioning. Also on the headstock, you have a collet system, the collet drawbar, and collets to go in there. This is a headstock can be made live or dead, turning dead center or turning between centers. So there you have it. This is the Myford HA. Thank you very much.